Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 1040068. This is a box of 100 plastic key tags with a split key ring in a magenta color. I have one removed from the box to show it to you here. Okay. Now this Lucky Line part number infers everything about it. The quantity, the packaging, and the color. We'll dissect that part number in a little bit. So this key tag is 15/16 tall. It's 2 1/4 length on the key tag, but then it gets down to 3" when you include the 7/8 split nickel-plated tempered steel key ring. Okay. To access the paper, you will remove the key ring, push it out or slide it out, mark it, insert it back in, then reattach your key ring. Durable transparent tag for key identification, or of course luggage, very common. Okay. Now the part number, how do we get to it? There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Lucky Line products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website along with a link to the product catalog. The product catalog is helpful because you can navigate to the page, maybe using the find function on your keyboard and typing in the 1040 part of the part number. You'll get to that page and you'll see how this 1040068 is arrived at. You'll take note that that part number, when you add the color at the end, the last 2 digits, and in this case it's 68, which means magenta. It's the color code for magenta. You're going to get a display box. If you took this flap, tucked it in behind here, this will pop up and become a display. Lock shops, local hardware stores will purchase these from us, put them on their counter with the price indicated there, and sell them one at a time. You're going to get 100 in the display box, 100, and that specific color. Now, to change the color, you'll change the last 2 digits. If you change it to 10, you'll get clear. If you change it to 30, you'll get blue. 40 is green. Orange is 50. Purple is 65. 68 is magenta. 70 is red, and yellow is 80. And that's how you'll get all of the different colors. You can see from that table how the part number will change if you want a different variant of this. If you just want a box of 100 in assorted colors, you'll drop the color code, and then it becomes 10400. You'll get a box just like this with 100, and there will be those evenly dispersed assorted colors. Question that I get: can you dictate, I want 30 this color, 40 this color, 10 this color, 20 this color? No, Lucky Line does not permit that. You can get 2 on a card. You can get 50 in a small assorted color jar. You can get 100 in a small assorted color jar as well. And then from the rest of that page, you can see how the part number very much will diverge when you change the item significantly. Now that catalog is also very helpful because it will allow you to familiarize yourself with the Lucky Line brand of comprehensive offering of key management hardware. Their name is synonymous with this material, and they offer the broadest spectrum, the widest variety of key management material. They're not the only company that does, but they have the most available from a single manufacturer. Through this catalog, if you were to familiarize yourself with it, you'll see that there are novelty products like spring-style wrist coils and fobs and lanyards. There are key tags like this, others made of paper and plastic, aluminum and brass. They can do key rings, everything from the small giveaway key rings all the way up to the large 6-inch pull-apart style jailer's key rings they can help with. They're going to get into key retractors that you'll put on a belt, key hiders, key releases. They're going to help you with key identification, like the vinyl stretchy identifier that you'll put over the bow or the head of a key blank. They have belt clips and a variety of other trigger snap sort of items. They also are going to have their line of twisty style aircraft cable key rings that you can put into a figure 8 and release and then reinsert, or crimp that for permanent closure, that sort of scenario. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line, this is their part number 1040068, box of 100 magenta key identifiers in a display box, or any other Lucky Line product. Please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.